My name is Azania Dlokweni and I'm a project manager for points installation. Points machine is a machine that operates the rail turnouts. That is, if you want to move the train to the left or to the right or cross over to another track. And they play a very important role in the safety of railway operations. They need to operate with precision, they need to be reliable and also be able to withstand high loads and high traffic. We get the points machine wired up at the factory and then it gets delivered to site. And then when we get to site, we install it with the rodding. So how it operates is that inside the points machine, there's gears. So the rotational movement then is transmitted and then changed into linear movement to move the rodding. And they have three functions basically. One is to operate the points, meaning to switch the blade, and the second one is to lock the blade, and then the third one is for detection, to be able to see which side the points machine lies. So once we've installed the machine, we do a test that we call the go or no go test to ensure that the points machine is running properly. So we do that test, and then after that test, that we call the pre-test and the functionality test. And then after we've done with the entire system and the entire installation, we then commission the points. So how they commission the points, they make sure that it communicates basically with the entire system, that they can see it on the seeker system and that also it functions on the outside. We normally do the points installation in between trains, so we can install about 2 points machine a day in between trains, but at a station where we don't have any interruptions, we can install up to 4 points machines a day.